Hi, I'm Hilary with Virtual City Real Estate and Construction. I completed the Gentleman Builder program in January of earlier this year, and this is my first build. I should finish this project within the next 2 weeks, around mid-November, and I'm projected to make about $75,000. So prior to real estate, I've always maintained a dual career. One as a corporate director, and then I've also managed my own independent real estate brokerage for the past 20 years, where I've really been able to help buyers, sellers, investors really navigate their real estate transactions. Now that I'm officially a builder, my day-to-day has totally changed. I'm still in the transition from the corporate world to, being a full-time builder. In real estate, I would usually be spending my Saturdays, driving clients around, negotiating contracts, showing houses, and now I get to spend my time, out here meeting with contractors, working on design, picking out, all of my fixtures, and really helping to really building this house. So in the program, they literally walk you through the entire process from finding the land, doing all of the due diligence with the land, getting your designs, securing the funding, managing the trades, working with the contractors, everything from start to finish, this program teaches you. So Royce and Anthony, they're not just mentors, they're literally like your big brothers in this business, right? They're visionaries and they see the big picture and they really want to help you succeed. So Royce, he'll push you to dream bigger, to really think like a developer. I remember when I was pouring my foundation at 7 o'clock in the morning, Royce was out here with me. When we had all of the cranes and the concrete trucks out here, Royce was out here with me at 7 o'clock in the morning. And then Anthony, he makes sure you have that structure, that strategy, that plan. And so them two together, they really balance each other out perfectly, and they truly care about you winning. These guys are here with you, right? You can pick up the phone, you can call them, ask them questions. They are very accessible, and they really want you to succeed in this business. So they're not just gonna, give you some material and send you on your way. No, they're holding your hand through the entire way. So community is everything. We are literally like a big family. We, have weekly meetups. We're helping to share best practices. We're sharing resources. I can pick up the phone and call one of my builder besties. I'll call all my girlies, my builder besties. I can call my builder besties and say, hey, what do you think about this trade? Who are you using? What's your feedback? What's been your experience? We're all there to help one another through this process so you never feel like you're alone, just like one big family. We even do things throughout the year where we'll have a community picnic and go out to the lake and barbecue and celebrate and just really, really want to generate that community environment and that community feel. I know it's an investment. I know that the price point may seem a little high and you may even feel like it's a scam, but when I tell you everything that you're going to get through this program, it is literally like a business in a box. You're getting your trades. You're not going to get those from those other people teaching classes. You're not going to get that information. You're getting access to lenders. Most people don't realize that in new construction, if you don't have experience building at least 3 projects in new construction, lenders aren't going to give you money. But if you go through this TGB program, that is literally access to get all the funding you need in order to start your new projects, right? And so this community is everything. And so this program is top notch. It literally is helping you to build a family legacy. It's helping you to, branch off and leave your corporate job if you want to, right? Is really opening up the pathway to really achieve your dreams and everything that you want to accomplish. My experience as a real estate broker has really helped me to serve my buyers, and now as a builder, Virtual City Real Estate and Construction, we're able to take those buyers who have always dreamed of building their homes, we're able to build it for them now, right? And so what sets my projects apart is that I want to build homes that are affordable, functional for everyday family living, and really help to build that legacy where people didn't feel like they could ever own a home. They're able to obtain those dreams through Virtual City Real Estate and Construction. So I'll do little things in my projects like, pot fillers, fireplaces in the master bedroom and in the main living room area. And also I make it functional because on this particular project, not only do I have the master suite with an ensuite, but I have a private kind of guest bedroom, a mother-in-law suite with a private bathroom attached to that bedroom. So it's perfect for, your roommate situation. It's perfect for, if you want to do a short-term living situation, have your mother-in-law in. They have their own private room and bathroom attached. So I really want to make it functional for all of my families and continue to carry that out through all of my projects.